Mpumalanga Provincial Government is hosting a two-day investment and mining conference in Middelburg. The conference hopes to raise over 50 billion in investment opportunities. SABC News reporter Tumelo Machogo is in Middelburg and joins us with the very latest. Good afternoon yet again, Tumelo. The investment summit is well underway now. What have some of those gathered there, be it potential investors or businesses seeking investment, had to say thus far?
Well, indeed, Mfundo, a lot of businesses are here actually also seeking businesses and also seeking investment in their companies, but also companies coming in to actually help those businesses if they can invest in their companies. There's already a book that has already been launched by the Premier saying that with all the businesses that have been laid out there so that investors can actually look at those books and then start investing into those companies. Companies have started investing. We've seen an investment from Eskom, SAPI, and also from a company called PG Bison, which also has contributed over 1.9 billion into the economy, saying that they're going to be creating over 1,000 jobs. But let's speak to one of the people that is also seeking investment here at this conference, Ndate Dingane Majola. Ndate, you said your company is in Witbank, and what is your company doing exactly, and what kind of investment do you need to ensure that your business become successful?
Yeah, actually, we want investors, people who will come and assist us with investment in manufacturing. The first project will be cement manufacturing project, and then the second one will be the plasterboard, drywall, using gypsum from Kusile to manufacture drywall and plasterboard.
And these plasterboards are going to be used by materials that are coming from the waste material that are coming from Kusile power plant that are going to be used. Just talk to us about the process and how are you guys going to be making these plasterboards?
Yeah, we are going to take the gypsum from Kusile and then dry the gypsum and use waste paper to produce drywall as it is.
And are you hopeful for investment, and have you been engaging with other people? Because I know there's a networking session. Have you been networking with people that are willing to invest in your company?
Exactly, we did. We've been talking to some other people, even outside South Africa, who are interested in buying the finished product, which we'll be producing next to Kusile. Actually, our plan is to get the land next to Kusile so that we can put a conveyor belt from Kusile power station to the next farm. That process has been communicated with Kusile, with Eskom. So we are on the process actually of doing that.
And how much money do you need at this point?
Yeah, exactly, it will be about 600 million.
All right, thank you so much. That was Mr. Majola talking to us about the investment that he is seeking here at an investment and mining conference. When I'm Mr. Mike Madonna, you are looking for businesses here to invest in. Just talk to us about your company and also who have you been speaking to and then wanting to invest in.
MBI Investment is the company that I'm a director of. We do corporate advisory and capital raising. Presently, if you look at the investment book that has just been launched by our Premier, it talks of a total of $7 billion of investment that is required across various sectors. Happy to hear that there's manufacturing that you've just engaged. There's some also on the green space. The green energy is growing. There's also opportunities of SEZ, which it brings in the ports availability. There's logistics hubs that are needed in the province, as well as housing and development of smart cities, which is very attractive for the province as it attracts investment from various parts of the world, not only in South Africa. So it's a very exciting time to be present, and we're thankful for this initiative.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. That was Mike Madonna. He is one of the investors here who's also expecting to be investing in companies that are also here to seeking investment from this investment and mining conference. They're hoping that they're going to raise about 50 billion in the next 2 days. So the conference is continuing. There are a lot of companies that are still pledging inside. There's also going to be a networking session where these companies can network with investors and also with companies that are looking for investment. investment here. So it is quite a crucial day for businesses and for people that are in the mining sectors, but also in the manufacturing sector, because these are the industry that have been doing very well in the province.